Alrighty guys, so we're here at the shop right now. I'm gonna go ahead and move the motorcycle out the way, move the bumper out the way, put the spark plugs on, spark plug wires on. That way we can go ahead and see what they look like, and I can probably go ahead and fire the car up for you just so you know it runs and whatnot. It's currently right now on jack stands. Obviously, I'm pretty sure you can see that because it's elevated. But let me go ahead and get the stuff out the way so we can go ahead and get that done. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and throw the spark plug wires on. First of all, I think we need some light in this bit. I didn't even plug up the light yet. What the hell am I doing? I don't know if it made it any brighter for you guys, but hey. So you can see what I'm doing. So really all I'm doing is just routing the wires underneath the water temp gauge, or well, the wire, the capillary tube to the water temp gauge, and then underneath the headers and out towards the back of the motor, or out towards the back of the headers. And I got stuck somewhere right here. So I got it routed from underneath the back of the damn motor. Now I can go ahead and put spark plug wires on. Alrighty guys, as you can see right there, I got them routed. I just don't have them plugged into the distributor yet because the distributor cap does not exist right now. And And this is what I was meaning by number 2. Spark plug wire number 2. Cylinder was already in there. It's right here. It's right on there. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump on doing this side real quick. It's kind of hard to get you guys in over here, so don't worry about this rat nests of wires. It's gonna get cleaned up once it's 100% running and driving. So don't worry about none of that. Hope this 8. I guess that's in the front would be the easiest, huh? Alrighty guys, as you can kind of see, those wires are spark plug wires ready to go. I'll go ahead and cut you guys back on when I got this distributor cap and all the wires put back on.
1 day later.
Alrighty guys, it's a new day. Spark plug wires already in, distributor cap's in, bolted down, wires are plugged back up. So we're gonna go ahead and see if it's. It's been a while since she's cranked up, so it might take a second. Yeah, so here we go. And I don't have the seat in the car right now, so I'm gonna disappear for a second. Reading exactly 12 volts. As you see, she's running slightly backfiring, so you gotta play with more timing. was funny. So all the gauges right now are working except for the water temp, but I just found a little water leak right there that I gotta fix or tighten up or whatever. As I said, I don't have a seat in the car. Try and give you guys a little quick crank. So oil pressure and volt is working. Just so far I haven't been able to get the car obviously running enough to get the water temp work. So here goes nothing. Oh man, hold up. So might be too much timing taken out. I don't know, it wasn't backfiring that much earlier. Or shit, it wasn't backfiring that much when I took the damn distributor off. So now I just gotta find that sweet spot to where it's not backfiring. I don't know if you noticed, but that gauge was just sitting at like 13 volts, which means my charging system's working. Oil pressure going up. Now you guys might be asking me, what are those two wires to? These two wires are just hooked up to the lights that have to go with the gauges. I'm gonna hook them up to the knob. There's a wire back there from my power to the headlights that I'm gonna hook it up to eventually. It's even reading 12 volts. Oh shit, battery's starting to not do its job. Well, more or less, it's because I'm trying to fight with this damn timing issue. Retard some more of the timing. Until I can get the car up to operating temperature, I can't use my timing light. Because your timing light is supposed to be used at operating temperature. Yeah, that battery's dead. I'll give it a minute. Or dying or whatever. There's another 305. There's a 700 R4. My LS is underneath that. LM7 intake. The cam, or crank, sorry, and cam shit. Alrighty guys, that's going to conclude for today's video. You already saw me put the spark plug wires in, put the zip ties around the spark plugs and make the spacers, and then also I showed you how to put on the heat shields to the spark plug wires. I tried to get the car running as best as I could for the time that I got right now. You just have to stay tuned and watch the next couple videos to see if the car is running perfectly fine. It ran okay, it's just backfiring and spitting gas up out of the carburetor. That has to do with a timing issue. I'm gonna fix that, but stay tuned for that video. Already Dream Team Garage. It's all gas, no brakes. We on go. Deuce.